Welcome to the Philosophy Codex, where ancient wisdom meets modern life. Today, we're unlocking the practical side of Stoicism with daily habits inspired by the Roman emperor and philosopher, Marcus Aurelius. If you're seeking clarity, resilience, and peace of mind in today's fast-paced world, this is for you. Let's begin. Marcus Aurelius said, "The happiness of your life depends upon the quality of your thoughts." What is Stoicism? Stoicism isn't about being emotionless. It's about not letting emotions control you. It's a toolkit for the mind, a way to live with virtue, reason, and purpose. Marcus Aurelius, through his journal meditations, never meant to impress others. He wrote to improve himself. And, through his reflections, we find habits that are timeless. 1. Morning reflection. Each morning, Marcus reminded himself, "You will meet people who are selfish, angry, and deceitful." He didn't do this to become bitter, but to prepare. Starting your day with reflection builds mental resilience. Ask, what challenges might I face today? And how can I meet them with wisdom instead of reaction? 2. Mindful observation. Practice seeing things as they are. Marcus wrote, "You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength. Stay present. Don't rush through life. Whether it's your morning commute or a lunch break, observe without judgment." 3. Evening gratitude. Marcus often reflected at night, not on what he lacked, but on how he could grow. End your day by writing 3 things you're grateful for. It rewires your thinking from scarcity to appreciation, a small practice with powerful psychological benefits. 4. Voluntary discomfort. One of the more powerful Stoic practices is voluntary discomfort, choosing a little hardship to strengthen your will. Marcus believed in practicing adversity, like waking early or embracing the cold. Why? Because comfort can make us fragile. Strength comes from discipline. Try skipping a luxury today. Walk instead of drive. Fast for a meal. Prove to yourself that you're not ruled by comfort. 5. Respond, don't react. Marcus often reminded himself to pause. In a world driven by reaction, Stoicism teaches us to respond instead. Someone cuts you off in traffic? Breathe. You receive harsh words? Pause. This space, between stimulus and response, is where your power lies. 6. Reflect on mortality. Memento Mori, remember, you will die. For Marcus, this wasn't morbid. It was motivational. Life is fleeting. Every moment is precious. When you remember that time is limited, you waste less of it. Let this reflection empower your actions, and make each day count. Marcus Aurelius wrote not to be remembered, but to remember, to become better. By following these Stoic habits, morning reflection, mindful observation, evening gratitude, voluntary discomfort, and more, you can build unshakable inner strength and clarity. If you found this valuable, like, comment, and subscribe to the Philosophy Codex. And remember, the quality of your thoughts shapes the quality of your life. Until next time, stay wise, stay stoic.